Initiating launch sequence. Thrusters are green. Go.
Trajectory is stable.
Confirmed. All systems nominal.
Perfect launch. The thrust metrics look optimal.
Agreed. Let's simulate the engine sequence. Watch that arc! Holding steady. Pressure's rising, ease off. Valve secured. Pressure spiking, check the feed. On it, recalibrating now. Good, watch for overload. Holding steady. Hook is clear, prepare to lift. Copy, alignment is good. On my way. Okay, valve adjusted. Confirmed, running the sequence now. Looks good, ignition sequence initiated. Outer casing diameter is 62.4 millimeters.
Confirmed. Borescope shows smooth internal finish.
Good, check the adjacent blade.
On it.
Alignment looks good, proceed with torque. Copy that, applying torque now. Watch the feed line clearance. Easy now, bring it in line. Steady, down slow. Hold it there. Voltages are stable, securing the module. Copy, grounding the relays. Check the diagnostics. Confirmed, green across the board. Base clear, proceed with nozzle inspection. Laptop secured, moving to manual checks. Upper stage secure, no anomalies.